The professional accountant has a critical role to play in nation building, particularly in the case of developing country like Malaysia.
We are found in Malaysia, we are everywhere.
All CEO must know how to run the finance of the organization.
It is a global qualification, so you really wanted to benchmark yourself against a global benchmark, if you like.
The capital market still need an independent opinion on the accounts that the accountants can make to the society.
Malaysian Institute of Accountants was formed in 1967 under the Accountants Act 1967. So it is functioning as a statutory body. The purpose of MIA is to regulate the profession of accountancy in the country. So by saying regulation, that means we look into the education and training, any matters of interest to the profession, issues of disciplinary issues, quality of accountants and so on. So basically those are the main reasons why MIA exists.
Malaysia has a notch up in terms of being a player, both in the field of accountancy as well as in the field of conference organizations on that basis, and putting the Malaysian map, or rather putting Malaysia to the world.
MIA, as the umbrella organization, if I may, has, among other things from what I can see, first of all, a kind of a guardian role to protect and make sure that the accounting profession has the highest kind of positioning in terms of ethical standards, in terms of competency standards.
I think MIA is a government act actually, so it has all the capacity and capability to do what it has to do. We actually keep up to the world standards almost immediately. It's good. We are maintaining international standards in Malaysia in terms of the accounting profession.
We expect our professional accountants to be able to contribute positively towards the numbers. They will be able to help prepare the management accounts, and they will be able to help, more importantly, to interpret the numbers and make them more meaningful.
Overall, the continuing professional education support that we get from MIA, I would say really help us a lot, because this provides us the latest update in terms of standards and cutting-edge tools that are relevant to the accountancy profession.
MIA has a hugely important role in ensuring that the standards are there for us to follow, in promoting and developing our accountancy profession, making sure it keeps up with the times. It's always relevant.
MIA is the main body for accountants in Malaysia. They've got an investigation committee where members of the public or other members can actually lodge complaints on members of MIA. So that will actually keep the MIA members on their toe as well.
Chartered Accountant Malaysia, or CA Malaysia, is a designation conferred by Malaysian Institute of Accountants to those person whom Malaysian Institute of Accountants recognize as having qualified through their professional qualifications.
Every year when the finance minister tables the budget, that must have a lot of input from the accounting fraternity, business people and so on. Financial are all very transparent, and the reader is always a well-informed reader. So you must be able to see through the numbers and how those numbers were prepared.
Being an accountant actually opens up a lot of doors. The business can be very successful, have a great model. A lot of aspect about accountants that's very helpful to businesses or any field that you want to go into.
Accounting services is a global service, and you can expand your accounting services not just within Malaysia, but you can go and export your services overseas. So that would be part of nation building by expanding the businesses of accounting services, whereby we as Malaysian can basically participate for the region as well as at the international and global arena.
The government have seen that leaving the profession on its own is not an option. We are now in the area of co-regulation. It is incumbent upon MIA to continue to do the oversight of the accountants in their professional duties.
Accountants do play an important role in nation building.
strong ethics, strong professionalism is key.
There's no end to the possibility when you are an MIA member.
I think MIA is doing its function well up to today.
I wish MIA every success.